Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Black Shark S1 Pro and S1. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Black Shark S1 comes with IP68 rating. Display features. Both smartwatch comes with 1.43 inches AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Both smartwatch comes with up to 10 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Next, compare the sensor features. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.